living life like a dream, but I don't get no rest. I just got a new girl, but I'm thinking, ooh, next. Started off in first class, now I'm jumping off a jet. I put diamonds all on you, hey. I put diamonds all on my wrist, hey. I put diamonds all on my wrist.
Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm gonna be showing y'all 3 different ways in which I do my pineapple bun. First, you grab your scrunchie, make sure it can stretch wide enough. I don't know why it took me so long to get that out. Once you get it on, you can adjust it to however you want to style it. I honestly don't even do it this way, but I just throw it in for the sake of the video. I can't even fit it over my head. You see this? I used the red bandana for this one. I folded it this way so it'd be easier to tie around my hair. Just like the other 2 ways, you can easily adjust it. That wraps it up for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like my video, and follow me on all my social media. I'll see you guys next time.
I want her, I want her, I want sister, I want cuz. I'm the type that slimier than a slug. Pull up on you a 2, 2, 3, that's the slug. Done, I'm gon' duck, your face look like a bug. Made a album.